Today we're going to be assembling a Spanmaster End Truck, showing you how to set the trolley gauge. This is the Spanmaster axle. This is how you will receive it. This is the Spanmaster End Truck side plates. This is how they will come in. First, we will take apart the axle nuts. Put them to the side for right now. Same with the washers. Let's set those to each side. Just for a general feel, we're going to assemble it with one side on like this, and we'll put a nut on. Now we're just putting this together to get a rough idea of what measurement we need to go to. So knowing that our beam is exactly 4 inches, right now we are at roughly 3 3/4, so we need to get pushed out a little bit. Ideally, we would like to be at 4 1/8, so we're going to put a couple of washers on this and move it out. We'll do one side at a time. We'll do that for right now on that side. Put that one there. We'd like to keep it evenly spaced so the ball is in the center. All right, we'll just hand tighten those like that for right now. Get a rough measurement. All right, we are exactly 4 1/8. That is perfect. For right now, what we're going to do is we're going to throw this nut on. And we will tighten this side down. And we'll take the locking nut, tighten that as well. That side is tight. Now we will take this side apart for assembling up on the runway. For right now, you can do a couple of options. You can either put these back on there knowing that you only need one washer, so then it's up there with you, and a nut, or you could just leave it all off. Probably put a nut on there just so that nothing falls off, and carry these up in the man lift with you in the air. But next, we will go up to the runway. All right, guys, we're back up on the runway. We're going to put the trolley on the one side of the runway beam. We're going to hang our U-hanger right onto the ball and cup. And then we are going to take our nut off the one side of the axle that was holding on the hardware. We will slide this right on there. Boom. Take our washers and our nut and put that on here. There you go. The only thing that we would need to do after that is give this a little tighten down. And we still need to put on the jam nut. That's what I'm doing now. Take our wrench and cinch it down. Eighth of an inch play, like I said, we're good.